What's going on, y'all? It's the Cool Teacher back again. Back with more fraction work for y'all. Because I know how much you guys love fractions, right? No, don't start shaking your head. Don't say no. You do. You just nod your head. You don't have to say yes. Just nod your head. And if you don't, you might like it a little bit better after this video. Because I'm going to make it easy for you. Alright? So let's go ahead and get a fraction here. So what I'm going to do today is, let's do 75 over 4. Okay? We're going to turn this fraction, improper fraction, into a mixed number. Okay? So this can be called an improper fraction. Sometimes it's called a fraction greater than 1. Alright? And we're going to turn this into a mixed number. Alright? So you're probably like, what's a mixed number? A mixed number is when I have a whole number in front of a fraction. Okay? And you'll see it at the end when we're done. So you're probably wondering, how am I going to turn a fraction that looks like this into a mixed number? Well, it all starts with this right here. Okay? You see this? You're like, yeah, that's a fraction bar, right? True, it is the fraction bar, but it also can double as a division bar. Let me show you a quick visual representation of how it does that. I'm going to lightly draw down here a division sign. Okay? See that? Division sign, right? I can easily take that and put numbers in. And now this means 12 divided by 4. So it can be a fraction bar, yes, and it also doubles as a division bar. So how we turn this into a mixed number is we divide 75 by 4. Now, we're not used to dividing like this. We're probably used to dividing like this. You put numbers in the house, outside the house. Yes, I call it a house. Okay? And when we divide, turn this division problem or a fraction like this into a division problem, we're going to go ahead and put the numerator inside the house. The numerator, or number on top, will always go inside the house. And we're going to put the denominator on the outside of the house. Okay? And you'll see why I'm using different colors in just a moment. Okay? So let's go ahead and start solving this. So if you haven't done long division before, just follow along, and hopefully this could be a quick crash course on how to do long division. But if you have, just follow along with me. First thing you want to do is see how many times can 4 go into 7. 4 can go into 7 only one time. Okay? So since 4 can go into 7 only one time, this means 1 times 4 gives me 4, and then I subtract those two numbers. Okay? 7 minus 4 is going to give me 3, and then I'm going to bring down my 5. Okay? Now the next thing I want to go ahead and see is how many times can 4 now go into 35. Now I'm thinking, and if you said 8, you're correct, because 8 times 4 gives me how much? 32. Oh my gosh, you guys are so smart. I don't know who said that. Is that Timmy in the back? All right, Timmy, I see you with the brains. All right. So 8 times 4 is 32, right? So we subtract those two. These two numbers here, 35 minus 32. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0, so we'll leave that blank. So we get 18 remainder. Ew, that R is ugly. 18 oh, that's worse. 18. It's a big head R, but who cares? All right, 18 remainder. Let's see. Yeah, let's go with hot pink. 18 remainder 3. All right. So Now we're going to go ahead and make our mixed number. Okay? First things first, in fractions, our denominator stays the, if you said same, if you said same, we're gonna have some technical difficulties this time. If you said same, you're correct. Okay, so making a mixed number, so over here, there's my fraction bar. Our denominator stays the same, so our denominator over here was 4. And if you remember, we put that as the divisor. So our denominator stays the same, so our denominator is 4. Our remainder, which was 3, that's going to turn into our numerator. You can easily remember that because remainder and numerator sound the same. Okay? You're probably like, this is brighter than this. We just going to act like it's the same color right now. All right, cool. Our remainder turns into our numerator. It rhymes. That makes it easy to remember. Remainder, numerator. Remainder, numerator. All right? And last but not least, our answer or our quotient will be our whole number. So that is what 75/4 is turned into a mixed number. 18 3/4. Okay? If you have any questions about what just happened, hit me below, write me a question, like the video, share the video, do whatever you want with the video. Play it while you do something else, while you're eating breakfast or dinner or washing the dog or playing with your cat or etc, etc, etc. Just watch them, like them, and share them. All right? Here's the Cool Teacher. I'm out.